Welcome to our road test of our 2014 14 plate Skoda 2 litre TDI 4x4 Laurin Klement Yeti. We've got 76,600 miles on the clock, so we're just giving it a little run up the road, just make sure everything drives well enough, superbly I should say, as it does. Great, it's got the DSG auto gearbox, which is lovely and smooth, seamless shifts, goes up and down the box really nicely, steering's good, brakes are good, wheels and tyres are in excellent condition as well, there's no warning lights up on it. Yep, lovely car, drives really well, solid car. Laurin Klement, as I said it is, so highly spec'd. I think it's pretty much their top of the range, there's not a lot it hasn't got. You've got full glass panoramic roof with the sunblind that goes all the way back, all electric. You've got full leather, heated seats, it's got front and rear parking sensors, it's got cruise control, you've got all your touchscreen, sat nav, DAB, Bluetooth, you've got power fold mirrors, it's got all the Xenon headlights. In addition, this has got the outdoor pack, it's got rear mud flaps, it's got the LED tail lights, you've got Xenon headlights with headlamp washers as well, it's got park assist as well as parking sensor, so it will help you with your actual parallel parking. What else? 2 keys, and critically full service history. We've got history right up to January this year, that's January 23, at 76,100 miles. It had a cam belt change by Skoda in 2019. I'll put all this information in the advert, but we've got stacks of Skoda service history for it. The last service was done by Willis Skoda, and as I say, that was in January this year at 76,000 miles, so it's full serviced, fully maintained, really nice car. All we've done is given it a really nice valet. It was a super car to start with. We've got 2 remote keys for it, everything's with it, paperwork, document pack, all together. The spec on it is immense. I can't go into all of it because I can't remember half of it. I've gone over as much as I can, but if there is any additional information you'd like on the car, or finance packages that we have available, or our home delivery service that we offer with our car transporter, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.